Na-shock sila talaga. As in, big surprise.
Speechless.
Yes, I know this is the best surprise for them, but we want to hear
Yes,
from our
please.
Nations group. You want to say something, girls?
Yes, so we'd like to say thank you po. Thank you to ASAP for having us here the second time around. Star Musics, TFC, thank you so much. Our management, our bosses, our heads, everyone who has been a part of our Beanie team. Thank you po. And syempre sa mga taong sumusuporta sa amin, thank you for showing us tremendous love and support po. And truly, we wouldn't be able to gather some awards. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Sana magpatuloy lang yung love and support all throughout po. Thank you guys!
Thank you. Just look at all the blooms right here in the arena. Grabe. Just like what we keep on saying, this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just the beginning for you guys. Again, congratulations to Beanie!